Welcome to Forum 32.
Thank you.
Charlene, we meet again.
Yes, we do.
I know I want to do so many things,
Yeah.
but right now let's talk about Veer.
What about you?
Alright. I'm sorry I'm laughing about this, but tell me, the last 10 days,
Yeah.
what Veer did to you as
Last 20
Charlene?
days rather.
20 days.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
I think, see, that is what I've always said, that a character, to play a character, there is a certain emotion that you really have to long on to the longest time. Not that he doesn't have shades of emotion, that he doesn't cry, he doesn't smile. But there's a shade of emotion which is the most strongest and the most well displayed in a character.
Right.
Like for Arjun, it was intense, brooding, aggressive, these kind of characters. For Veer, it is very, very, very young, very energetic, very haramkhor. So I think it is something that I was when I was probably 23. Like 22, 23, that character that I'm playing. Now I'm 26, so to revive those memories of 3 years back when I used to do all those Lukhagiri with my friends and to get back, I think Veer is another part of Charlene. I mean, apart from just being someone who's rude to women and being a chauvinist, I think apart from that he's completely me. I think मस्ती भी उतनी करता है, लोगों की भी उतनी ही टांग खींचता है. Never has a dull moment, never has an easy moment in his life. Always wants to do something, he's up to something always. So I think so what Veer brought to me was getting back the energy that I had to lower down because of Arjun, settle it down. I think it got me back into my own groove. Now I'm back to being
The bad boy.
worst I was. So I think
Tell me,
people
were you ever like Veer in your real life, in your college?
I think Veer, I think Gul ma'am called me only for the sole reason because she thought that I could do it. I myself wasn't convinced. But I think, Veer was me. I mean, I was like that. But apart from that, apart from being a chauvinist and the rude, aggressive bastard that he is, that is also because of a reason though. But otherwise, it was completely me. I'm just hanging out in the canteen, never going to the college classes. And
Mardar,
Mardhar,
Lukhagiri, and did you
Parties.
ever use, let's say, a clout? You know, did you have a clout, a gang of boys?
Yes, we do,
where
yeah.
you'd
We were
say
actually,
कि हम लोगों को क्या president, CR ऐसा कुछ होता है ना
नहीं,
college
हमारा
में?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं. हम कभी भी पॉलिटिक्स में घुसना ही नहीं चाहते.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि I think we were too intelligent to be in one. But I think what happened is that we were 3 guys who met in college and हम तीनों की ज़िंदगी का सिर्फ एक ही गम था कि हम इसी कॉलेज में थे. तो after that I think a year passed and something and we had a very very good bonding. So we 3 are super friends now also. So I think so the 3 gang of boys have never entered the classes. Apart from one guy, he used to enter the 8 o'clock class because 9 o'clock we guys will come and we never enter in the class after that. तो मेरी attendance कुछ 1% थी जिसकी वजह से मुझे बाहर किया गया था. So all these people who are listening, please never miss classes. But so.
Now, I must say that you're looking amazing. I mean, the first day when I met you, I said, whoa, you've lost weight, number one. There's more definition to your body. And thirdly, the way you've leaned down on your face itself. When you were 24, you were playing a 28, 29-year-old guy. And today you're playing an 18, 19-year-old guy.
21-year-old.
Okay, 21. Okay, you're in the final year.
Yeah, 21, 22
So
years.
it'll be more like 20, 21, not 20.
22 because he's already flunked twice.
Of course, I forgot about that part.
So
मुझे एक गंदा जोक याद आया, मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगी about the flunking part, alright?
Alright.
But
I
right
think,
now,
see, when I was 24, I was playing a 28-year-old. It was difficult then to think of the age that you've not even seen in your
seen
life.
yet.
Now to play when you're 26, now to play a character who's 22, who you've forgotten because it's already past. Now to revive that memory, I think I'm still waiting for a role which is my age. But I think it's fun and it's challenging to do so. But both Arjun and Veer were very different and very very related, very much related to me.
But does it really happen? I mean, you are next age, and to be able to play that age, I think it's a dream. I don't know if it comes true.
I think for a 25, 26-year-old guy to play a 22-year-old guy, I think it's a beautiful compliment when it comes to you.
Absolutely, and you're looking it. You're looking it. I mean, I put up a couple of pictures of yours, and we got some rave reviews. And see, for me, the first stop is when you say I liked it.
Yeah.
That's good enough for me. उससे ज़्यादा मुझे आगे जाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. But then I got such compliments कि oh, he's looking amazing, and I think that works
Because
well.
I had to look a lot younger, lot more fresher. Because I had to forget everything that I learned. I
True.
had to unlearn everything
True.
to learn again.
Tell me about the gun moment. Because in the promo shoot
think it's
itself,
never
there was a
gonna
gun in your hand.
I think the gun is never going to leave. Even Rishida will talk about the gun in the next few coming months because he'll know that I'll be holding a gun again. But yeah,
Amazing.
but it's just that the gun doesn't leave me, and we have an inseparable relationship.
I think you shouldn't leave the gun. I think it
Now
you
it
know
comes
what?
very naturally to me.
Usually they say the man makes the clothes, right?
Yeah.
Here I would put it as a cloth because it's a prop that you're supposed to use, and I think it's an extension of you.
Yeah, now it's complete. It's very natural to me. I think I just play along with it.
I mean, तुमने सबसे पहले अपना वो usual gun
Yeah.
turn करने वाला movement किया था, and I think I took a couple of pictures with you or natural position on the shoulder. That's what makes
And it's
you
very
Shani.
natural. It comes very naturally to me. Yeah. It's just nothing. It's nothing made up that I'm holding the gun here or here or here. It just comes very naturally because it rests on my shoulders. So it comes like this only. I think the gun is something that I now will tell every producer and every director who does work with me. Please incorporate a gun movement.
And what about that action sequence of smashing the glass?
I think that was after a long time that I've done action because 6 months I wasn't doing any action. This wasn't an action thing, but yeah, I had
You still had to break a
a lot
glass.
of expressions and a lot of voice, a lot of emotions to come in. But I think it came on brilliantly. Again, Amin Bhai came for my rescue, and we had a lot of fun shooting that day. We had
Yeah.
great fun.
Yeah, we had fun. I had a lot of fun shooting that day.
And this was the only thing that was left in Arjun. I never smashed a glass.
Yeah. देखा ये भी हो गया.
ये भी हो.
और मुझे दूसरा scene जानना था, the one with the bathroom. हाँ.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me not just talk about that scene. So far in last 20 days, which has been difficult yet wonderful scene to perform.
I think me breaking down because my dad's
The hospital.
So, see, I always say that I'm not a very good actor who can emote while taking glycerines.
Come on,
No, I'll tell you.
we've been there.
I'll tell you the reason. Because the point is, you need to be a superman who can just have tears flowing and still feel that emotion and cry. I can't do that.
Okay.
I know my limitations, I know my capabilities, or I do not know them, whatever. But I just cannot feel by taking glycerin. So I have to cry,
I know.
then I will cry. In reality, I'll cry so that the scene comes out like that. So it took me half an hour to get into that zone because it's not only crying, tears coming into your eye and you wiping them off. It was tears flowing down, your nose is blowing your nose.
Yeah.
There's so much of things that came very naturally, and I think that was very difficult for me. But in the end, it came out really well.
मुझे ऐसा लगता I mean I remember we've had this conversation before
About
where
the
you
glycerine, yeah.
about the glycerine and how Gorky's always given you that time to
Yeah.
go into that space, and we've never going to discuss as to what that space is, but we know that space exists. Secondly, did you do that here as well?
Yeah, yeah. I
And
took my
you
10
spoke with
minutes off.
Anirudh for that, or Lalit, was it?
Yeah, I took Lalit sir and I said, sir, since smoking is injurious to health and everyone's on the set smoking, I've tried to tell them to quit. So, yeah,
Yeah, as usual, हमारा
brand endorsement has come. So yeah.